Now you are again taking a shape like this, and let's see what are we gonna make now. Yes, you can imagine, just make the claws and make the spikes like this and your dinosaur is ready. Isn't it amazing? Yes, you can just decorate it further and just make the spots and color it in this manner. Now you again have to take the shape of your hand and then make the circular dots in this manner. What we are doing now, make the spikes with the help of a pink color and then get it arranged in this manner. Let's see, you just have to make the bushes and here it is ready to go. Keep on proceeding in this manner and let's see what are we gonna do next. Again take the shape of your hand and then make it look like this. Make the antennas and the claws further and get it literally attached like this. Again take the shape of your hand, make the tail and then the claws and legs in this manner like we are doing here and make your dinosaur look amazing. Again take the imprints of your hand and get it arranged in this manner. Here just get it attached, get the patterns like this and then on the top of it make the flag like structure. Yes, you can imagine what we have created, a beautiful lovely kingdom, isn't it? Make the branches and trees look like this path and then color it further.